Good day, sir.
Yes.
May I meet you, sir?
Yes. I am Chief Karbi Kiriko McDonald. I'm the head of Egibekri community. The community in which we are here for. We are here for an age-long struggle. We have established a community. We have established a community here, legally established a community.
Okay.
After purchasing the land. Established a community. And the community is Egibekri community. Now, after some years, fortunately in 2007, oil exploration started, 1972, oil exploration started here. And fortunately, some oil wells were struck and they drilled. Currently, we are hosting about 4 oil wells on the Ajib's Obama oil field. Wells 5, 7, 9, and 12. And those oil wells have been operational for over 2-3 decades. With which we have benefited nothing. No acquisition, no reacquisition, no any form of benefit, no employment, no scholarships, no training schemes, and so on. Yet, the environmental degradation due to the oil exploration and the exploitation continues on us, resulting in a lot of various ailments and so on. Now, sometime in 1975, a legal proceedings was instituted against the Egibekri community by the people who sold the land to us, to our ancestors, claiming it was given this place for temporary occupation. But fortunately, we were able to prove with all documents available in the courts that it was more than that. It was an outright sales and purchase.
Wow.
So the High Court, the Appeal Court, and the Supreme Court gave us the triple judgments. And since 13th of July 2007, we got the Supreme Court judgment. We became the permanent legal owners of this community. And in the same year, 2007, we furnished Ajib with all necessary documents, including the Supreme Court judgment. But till today, Ajib is still clearly, not even tactically, clearly and outrightly dealing with those who who lost to us in the courts. And today we said we are tired. After writing over 20-30 letters to various departments, to the Bayelsa State Governor, to the Special Advisor Oil and Gas, matters to the Governor, to the Special Advisor Security, to matters to the Governor, JTF, headquarters in Bayelsa State, the Commander, Central Naval Command, and where have we not written to? Even up to Milan, the headquarters of Ajib. In 2007, we wrote to them. In 2008, probably Milan responded, we are not aware. But the GMD of Ajib in Port Harcourt in 2008, precisely 15th August 2008, wrote a letter to the state government declaring the Egibekri community as the authentic owners of the community, of the land housing these 5 oil wells I mentioned. Yet, Ajib staff still connive with our opponents and other persons and still squandering all proceeds from our wells, and nothing is given to us. So today, we came here to disrupt the operations that we can be recognized. Though now they have promised convening a meeting in 3 days.
Who is the day?
Hello?
Who is the day? Who is the person that had that agreement?
The manager, Swamp, assistant manager, Swamp area division of Ajib in Brass.
Okay.
There, the platform here, in conjunction with them, are making that authentic promise. Okay. And we have clearly told them that we have gotten such promises, and sometimes the office of the SA Oil and Gas have invited them for over 4 meetings. They technically refused to come. Even the Oil and Gas Special Advisor to the Bayelsa State Governor invited them in a certain meeting. They refused to come. So we are tired of this hide and seek business. So we have clearly told them that if in these 3 days from today, which is 18th May,
April 3 days
2017, if they don't call us 3 days from today, we do not have the appetite or the patience to come back to them for anymore. We will resort in self-help, because we cannot abandon our property for anybody, because those using or gaining from it refuse to give it to us. Thank you.
Okay, I've asked this question before, but I want to know how many communities have an issue with you, because from my last interview, I was thinking it was just one community. I mean, the persons that have this land issue that we won.
Yes.
How many communities have this issue with you?
It's just one family, the Kone family,
Just
of
the Kone
our
family.
Kakmama community,
Okay.
that has the problem with us. All others in the picture, some are witnesses to them during, like the Ibokolo family was a witness to the Kone family during our litigation with them, saying the land belongs to them. So if we have won them, they have nothing here, Ibokolo family. Even in the judgment, the judge clearly said, in the pleadings, nothing showed that Ibokolo family has any land here, that if they have, they would have applied to join the action, but they didn't, so they do not have any land here. That is the situation now.
All right. Thank you.